start a video with him. We're gonna take this whole beam out right here. Run the beam across here, open this already up. We already got about 10-foot ceilings in here already. So we're gonna open this all the way up right here. Open this all the way up right here, open up to the kitchen. Okay, we got that door then. Going back here, it's already a 3-1. So we got 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom. That's the master. I'm thinking that I want to, there's a bathroom on the other side here in the master. So there's a bathroom here. All right, so I think what I want to do is I want to give this bathroom to this room, and I want to try to create and flip this bathroom and take this closet and make this the bathroom for the guests. So I can go through this closet right here, and this will be a bathroom, and I'm gonna give this bathroom, I'm gonna flip this bathroom and turn around to the master bedroom. Cause all I need is a shower. I just need a shower over there. That's it. So now I got a 3. Now I got a 3-2. I can stay inside the footprint, which allows me to kind of stay inside the, stay inside the budget.
Street. Yeah, I'm back.
217 on the track, man.
Yeah, looking like a trouble when I walked in the